Hi and welcome to this week's project. Okay, in this week's project we are going to be using the Royal Palm resin thin, and I'm going to be making up some ring blanks. These are just broken pieces of wood, and I put a bit of double-sided tape around and then some tape on the outside. That's what I use for moulds for the rings. We're going to have blue, ocean blue and purple blanks. These are going to be made up to, there's actually only going to be one, maybe possibly two rings of these made up. So I hope you enjoy, and thank you very much for watching.
It's silent now, we don't say a word, we're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said, yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far, but I know that played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're we're holding on. For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far, but I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
I walk in shadows. No one ever sees me, sees me. I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, save me? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out my window. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know, am I insane, insane? I just wanna know, am I insane, insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out the window. I just wanna know, whoa, am I insane? I sit in silence. Nobody nobody can hear me, not even when I'm crying. I need someone to save me, save me. I never know which road I'm supposed to take. Every choice I make gives me headache. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know, am I insane, insane? I just wanna know, am I insane, insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just wanna know, am I insane? Am I insane?
Hi and welcome to the end of the video, and thank you for watching. If you got this far in the video, which I really hope that you did, because this video was made with Royal Palm resin. As you know, I've been doing some testing with that, and I was actually really pleased with the high shine that the rings got afterwards. Obviously I didn't degas any of that resin, and the stuff come out beautifully, so it is well worth it. If you don't want to go buying all that pressure chambers and stuff, that is the resin to be using. No doubt you will see me at some point in the future for different projects, probably messing around with it again. I buy it from House of Resin, which most of you already know, which is in the UK, and the link for the website is down below. So this reason for this video going up today is a totally different day from my normal day, is that Doug from Pohl Barn Production sent me the most beautiful gift after Maker Central. I'd actually already got in touch with Doug before Maker Central and asked him if he wanted me to collect him some stickers while I was on my travels around Maker Central, and send them out to him because he couldn't come over. And Doug is somebody that I've watched right from really when his channel was very small. He's very big now, but his stuff is absolutely beautiful, and I love watching his videos. And he sent me this beautiful little goblet. It is absolutely stunning, and it is so beautiful that somebody the other side of the world made me this, and it is so delicate, and he sent it over, and by, I think sometimes it's just good fortune, it arrived absolutely perfect condition. It is beautiful, Doug. I so appreciate that. The bits that people do send me and make me, and I do have quite a few little bits and little boxes and stuff, you've no idea how much that actually means, that somebody has taken the time to make. I mean, these projects are they're not quick, you know. There's a lot of work that's put into these, and it almost looks like a goblet of fire, really. It is absolutely beautiful. Now Doug and me releasing the video exactly the same time. Now obviously Doug only sent this to me last week and asked me if I wanted to put a video up at the same time, and of course I did, because I wanted to thank him actually on camera for what he'd sent me, because this is not all that he sent me. He sent me a beautiful letter as well, and he also sent me a couple of bits of wood, which I'm delighted with, but make some nice pens out of them, but also some of the pen blanks that he's been making. And I don't know if you can see this quite on camera, but that's got reds and blacks in it. Absolutely beautiful. And this one, I watched him making this one. I absolutely love it with the green. Doug wasn't that enthused by it. I thought it was absolutely brilliant, and I really look forward, and this is the other one here, I actually really look forward to turning these and getting them on a pen, because there's nothing nicer than being sent somebody else's blanks to make a pen with. So I really appreciated that, and those will definitely, you will see these at some point. So yeah, I appreciate everything that ever gets sent to me. Thank you very much, Doug. I have got a little bit of something on its way to you with the stickers. Just had to be a little bit of Scotland though, so a couple of extra bits going over to you there. And the one thing that I did want to send is obviously well, as you know, Doug, I struggle with names. Brian Blum was obviously cast in at Maker Central and cast me a beautiful block. Now this block is not for sale or anything like that. This block is for me for turning, but also for me to give away. And I don't know, Doug, if you already watching, but one of his blanks is on its way to you. This was obviously cast at Maker Central, so that is coming out to you with a little bit of Scotland and your stickers, and it will be sent out within the next few days. I hope you enjoy that. So I've put the link down below to the video of Doug making this beautiful little thing here. I want you all now to go down and support his work, because if you like what I do, you're going to love what Doug does. The link for Doug is down below for this video. Please do go and watch. Tell him that he came over from me as well. And if you haven't already subscribed to Doug, please do subscribe. His channel is amazing and what he does is amazing. So anyway, once again, thank you, Doug. And now I shall post some pictures of the rings that I made, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching.